Who would the odds favor? I'm so much like my father. You would think that I keep value and chase it with booze. One little taste it'll do. Maybe I'll take it and snooze, then tear up the stage in a